Alright, dirt bike fanatics, let me ask you something. If you could ride the ultimate two-stroke beast, would you? Yes or no? Drop your answer in the comments. Today we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro. And let me tell you, Beta has taken an already legendary bike and made it even better. More power, better handling, and factory-level upgrades straight out of the box. But that's not all. Stick around until the end, because I've got a surprise announcement that's going to get every off-road rider pumped. Alright, let's break it all down. Starting with the first thing you'll notice, the bike's aggressive new look. Design aesthetics, the first thing that grabs your attention. The new bodywork. The 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro now has a sleeker, more aggressive design with sharper, more aerodynamic plastics that improve airflow while keeping the bike looking factory race ready. The high front fender isn't just for style, it's designed to keep mud and debris from clogging up your suspension on wet and technical terrain. Beta has also revamped the graphics kit, giving the bike a cleaner, bolder look with sharp lines that complement the rugged build. The frame itself is painted factory racing red, while the bike's signature orange accents give it a premium, high-performance feel. Plus, the seat has been redesigned. It's grippier, more ergonomic, and slightly narrower near the tank, making it easier to shift your weight on technical trails. But my favorite update, the new headlight. Beta has upgraded the LED lighting system, offering better illumination for night rides, so whether you're racing in an enduro event or just hitting the trails after work, you'll have a much clearer view ahead. Engine performance, all right. Now let's talk about what really matters, the engine. The 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro keeps the legendary 293 SHC two-stroke power plant. But Beta made some key refinements that make it smoother, faster, and even more responsive. Updated ECU mapping. This makes throttle response crisper, improves fuel efficiency, and delivers stronger low-end torque without sacrificing top-end power. Whether you're crawling over logs or blasting through wide-open trails, this bike delivers power exactly where you need it. And speaking of fuel, Beta has fine-tuned their oil injection system, meaning you no longer need to pre-mix your fuel manually. Just gas up and ride, knowing the bike is getting the perfect oil-to-fuel ratio for maximum performance and engine longevity. But here's where things get interesting. Beta has slightly reduced the bike's overall weight, improving the power-to-weight ratio and making the bike feel even more agile and responsive. Less weight, more power, serious performance gains. Handling, suspension now. Let's talk about how this bike actually feels on the trails. Beta didn't just add more power, they also improved handling and suspension, making this bike an absolute weapon in enduro racing and technical riding. First up, the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro now comes with closed cartridge forks, which are fully adjustable and tuned specifically for extreme terrain. Whether you're hitting deep ruts, rocky climbs, or big jumps, these forks soak up impacts beautifully while keeping the bike planted and stable. The rear suspension has also been upgraded with a new shock absorber that offers better rebound control and improved traction. This means when you're powering through loose dirt, gravel, or mud, the rear wheel stays hooked up, giving you maximum drive forward. And let's not forget about the chassis. Beta has reinforced the chromoly steel frame, making it stronger but lighter, improving stability in corners and high-speed sections. Combine that with the improved suspension, and you've got a bike that's nimble, responsive, and confidence-inspiring. Brakes, controls, extra features. When you're riding at high speeds on technical terrain, you need precision control, and Beta nailed it with the new braking system. The 2025 model comes with Nissan hydraulic disc brakes, giving you strong, predictable stopping power no matter the conditions. The front brake lever has been redesigned to be more ergonomic, reducing hand fatigue on long rides, and the rear brake now has better modulation so you can feather it without locking up the wheel on steep descents. Another upgrade? The handlebars now come stock with heavy-duty handguards, so you won't have to worry about your fingers taking a hit from rocks, branches, or roost. And check this out, Beta is now including a factory skid plate as standard equipment. No more worrying about smashing your engine case on rocks or logs. This bike is protected and ready to take on the roughest trails. Final thought, surprise. So, is the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro the best 300-seat two-stroke dirt bike on the market? Well, looking at the sleek new design, refined power delivery, upgraded suspension, and factory-level protection, I'd say it's definitely in the running. But now I want to hear from you. Would you take this over a Chem 300XC or a Yamaha ES 250X? Drop your answer in the comments below. And remember that surprise I promised you? Well, here it is. Beta is releasing a special edition version of the 300 rr-xpro with factory race team graphics and an exclusive performance tuning package. Only a limited number will be produced, and we'll have all the details in an upcoming video. So if you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Alright, that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see this bike in action, let us know. This is Acer Rider signing off. Ride hard, ride smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.